This is a short story of me building the Mellow Yellow go-kart, and a little bit of action at the end from the actual race. Hope you enjoy. The brake and the former axle slash engine mount off. Cleaned everything out the best I could, and now it is pretty much ready for that live axle. Camera on this, but I tacked in some bars to hold me in. Brake assembly on, motors on, master cylinders mounted, kill switch is wired up. Good morning. Oh, this is gonna be a tight fit. Oh, I take mine. Oh yeah. I think we're on to something here. Alright, this is how I purchased the body for this cart. Needed some fiberglass work. I'm no fiberglass guy, but I did the repairs the best I could. You can pause it at any time to see the paint and stuff like that, but I'm just flipping through this as quick as possible to kind of show you the short and easy process that I did. Primed everything up with just some Rust-Oleum, painted everything black, taped off the lines on the bottom for the for the red and green. That's what it looked like there. Once I pulled the tape off. Here's a short little video of that. Then I retaped the car and spray painted the green first, then taped again and spray painted the red. Painted the whole thing over with some clear, and then my wife has one of those silhouette machines, so we did a bunch of work and came up with these decals, the best we could based off of what was in the movie. That's just some measurements in case you wanted to pause and see size. Yeah, go on, that thing turned out good. Painted it all right here, made the decals right here. Not completely finished yet. Still got the deck lid and a couple sponsors, but this thing on race day, if it don't win, it's gonna look the part. Here's a look at some of the decals before we put them on. Did some tire stenciling, also took the rear deck lid instead of doing spark plugs, switched it over to my YouTube channel just as a little nod to me making it. There it is, SpeedCreep, using the same design. Here's the stickers all put on. Some of these are actually vintage from a friend of mine who does a lot of restoring of old NASCARs. He had some leftovers and I used some of those, like the 76 and the STP and a few other things. Took some stickers that I had and tried to make it look as authentic as possible. Also had to make a helmet, of course. Here's some final shots. And the whole reason I built this thing is because me and some buddies wanted to do a go-kart race, and I decided to go a little extra. So comment down below, let me know what you think of this whole build. It was not too bad. It was pretty easy to build. I enjoyed it. It was fun. I might even build another one. It'd be cool to do like the City Chevrolet car. But comment down below, let me know what you think. And towards the end of this video, I'll put some action footage in because I didn't build this to sit in the shop. I built it to run and get dirty. So here are some action shots, and if you want to see the full race footage, I will link that at the end of this video. Thanks for watching, guys, and here's some action.